I'll be coming today to take on the Strand by Strand Cosmetics makeover, and I'm super excited for it. It's gonna be the first time that I actually have a hairline in the last 10 years. So I can't wait to see my wife's face when she sees me with this new look. Super excited. So here's the final product. Extremely pleased. Thank you so much, Advanced Hair Studio, for making me look 25 years younger. By the moment that we entered the treatment room, everything was explained in meticulous detail. They really took good care of me. They explained in detail how the system works to make sure that the hair looks exactly how it looks in day one. From how you wash it, how you treat it, how you dry it, how you condition it. Super excited to go home and show this to my family, see what they think. And I recommend this to anybody that's looking for a change. I appreciate all the help.